published some of the PDF related videos earlier in this channel, and some of you requested for a video where how can you convert any of the PDF files to Excel. So this video is based on all of your requests only. I'll show you two options using which you will be able to convert any of the PDF files to Excel. As a first option, we'll use UPDF. Earlier I published another video related to UPDF which had a comprehensive guide on everything. However, let me show you that option here also. If I go to their site and then you will be able to see this type of interface, you can click on free download to download the application. And you can also use your Google credentials to log in. I already have this application installed on my computer as I use it very frequently. So let me go to my desktop and open that application. And from there, let me show you how can you convert any of the PDF to Excel. So if you come here in PDF tools, you'll be able to see multiple different options. One option is there, export PDF, and there you can see PDF to Excel. So if I click on this option, it will ask for the file path. So what I'll do, I'll go to downloads, and there I have one file that is timetable. And if I click on open, then this PDF will open. Now you can see there are two pages, and each of the pages there are some of the timetables. And the request from some of you are exactly same, right? That how can I convert one of the timetable which is in PDF to Excel. Now here you don't need to do anything. If you want to only convert the first page, then you can mention page 1 to 1. Or if you want both of the pages, that way also you can mention 1 to 2. So let me do one thing. Let me do 1 to 2 so the both tables will be exported to Excel. And if I click on export, then it will ask for a file name, that in which name you want to save it. It's already suggesting a name. So if I add maybe 1_1 here, and if I click on save, then this particular file will get saved. You can see now it's converting, and after that, once this is done, it will open that particular file. You can see this particular file has been created, which is in Excel. So let me open it. Now you can see there are two tabs in this particular Excel, where in the first one, you have this table, which is your timetable. And this is editable. You can change, you can add whatever you want, you can do everything as per normal Excel operations. So this is active. And the second page has been converted to table 2. So using this method, you'll be able to easily convert any of the PDF files to Excel. So this is the first option. So UPDF is an extraordinary software which contains multiple different PDF related tools, whatever you can think of about a PDF along with some of the AI features. If you work on PDF on daily basis and you have such requirements, you can check the link I added in the description below. It's an affiliate link. If you take some of the plans from them, I may get some small commissions without any extra charge to you. Now let me show you another option which is absolutely for free, and let's see how it works. So if I close this file and now I go to this particular website, that is PDFGear.com. Earlier I published another video related to PDFGear in this channel, and this is an incredible software. Here you will be able to download this application from this particular icon. If you click on it, it will download based on the operating system of your computer. You can also use it from mobile devices. So let me click on this icon, and the installer will start downloading, and after that we will start installation. Let me click on it. Now you can see this particular file is being downloaded, and once this is ready, then we'll start our installation. Okay, this is now ready. What I'll do, I'll just double click on this particular option, and then the installer will invoke. Let me minimize all these options. I got one prompt here, which is a security alert that if you really want to install it or not, you may not be able to see this prompt in screen recording because I use OBS Studio and it doesn't capture any of the security warnings for whichever is in screen. So what I'll do, I'll click on yes. So if you get it, just read that, and if you agree, then you click on yes. Now let me minimize these pages so that you will be able to see it properly. So this is the first option. Then I'll click on OK. I'll click on next. I'll agree the terms and conditions. You take your own decision, and then click on next, next, next. Now the installation is starting. Now once this is installed, then we'll be able to use this application. This application is a free software, but have plethora of options using which you will be able to work with your PDF. That's the installation get finished, and then after that we'll start it. Now the installation has been completed. Let me click on finish, and it will launch the PDFGear once I'll click on finish. Let's do that. This is the interface of PDFGear. So what we want to do it from here, that is convert from PDF. So what we'll do, PDF to Excel. If I click on it, then it will prompt me again for the PDF file. If I click on here, it will open the dialog box where I can choose that particular file. I'll choose that timetable again, and then I'll click on open. Now it's showing that there are 2 pages. What I want to do, I'll keep it as is because I want to do it for the both pages. And then it is showing that where will be the output folder, all those things, and save as Excel file. I'll click on convert. One good option is this particular application works offline. So if you are not connected to internet, still it will work. And let me click on convert. Currently it is working. Sometimes it takes bit more time than other applications, but it works very well. Now you can see this particular file has been generated. If I double click on this Excel file and let's see how it looks like. See, this also done a very good job. This is also another editable Excel. Here, if I change anything, those are possible. So all those editings are absolutely fine. And it converted it as a table. And similarly, it also added 2 pages because our main PDF document had 2 different pages. So it also converted properly. So these are the 2 options using which you will be able to convert any of the PDF files to Excel. I'll add record links in the description below so that you can directly try from there, and let me know if you want any other videos to be recorded in this kind of an area. Just let me know in the comments below. Based on that, I'll record my next videos. While we are talking about PDF, UPDF also have a plethora of options along with some AI features which this free tool doesn't have. So if you want to know everything about how to edit PDF files, how to add AI capabilities, and how to interact with those PDF files using AI features, then check out this video to know everything about it.